Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have a Starry Night light projector. Now this one is very similar to the one I did before, except it has a few changes that I think that make it a lot better. 3 standpoints. One, it's the price is way better than the one I unboxed before. Shipping is faster, which I guess that's another point. But 2, it's like a different color slash variant, which is good for people who like that color. And 3, it has USB Type-C. The other one had micro USB. This one, basically the same thing. It has an Ocean Wave ambient light, Starry Night, music speaker, automatic timer, voice control, remote control. This is what it looks like basically, little picture. And then as you can see, some little scenes here, and then what it's good for. And that's pretty much it. Let's get into it. So this is right here. Thank you for purchasing Starlight projector. And you have a little code. You have a user manual here, very clear instructions. Right here you have the remote, basically the same thing as last time. USB Type-C to USB-A cable, USB-C, USB-A. So here it is. Like I said, it's a different color. So this is what it looks like. And personally, I think it looks a lot better than the all black version. You have little rubber feet on the bottom. And it says do not stare into the beam because it's obviously really bad for you. Speaker here and speaker here. And then you have the brightness adjuster. I believe that's to charge like a phone basically or something like that, USB port. And this is where you plug it in, the on and off switch. And then this one you have the modes, volume up, down, as well as basically skip and rewind. And then pause and play. And then this is the IR receiver apparently. Pretty much it. And then oh yeah, on the top you have the little globe, which is the light, and then this is the laser, the green laser. So yeah, really interesting. I think I like this a lot better already than the other version, but it is very similar. Like I said, I believe it's like $30 to $40. The other one was $50 and it was only black. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on right now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so the remote does take 2 AAA batteries, so make sure you have those on deck. And since it is USB-C powered, you can technically use any USB Type-C cable or the one that's included. This is what it looks like so far, and the green part is on right now. We can turn off the LED. There you go, and then you can make it solid. So the S is what helps it spin, and then the S minus helps it stop. And then if we do red, you can mix both of them. And then obviously you can have both of them spin. It's connecting to, if you have an IR receiver like that right there, it will connect to the remote. So just be careful. This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. And red and white. Red and blue. Green and blue. Red and green. And red and white. So yeah, there's a ton of colors here. There's 4 colors: red, green, blue, and white. And then right here you have like the music options and stuff like that. You have the LED on and the laser on. So basically you can turn on the laser. See, that's the laser. You can turn it on and off. Pretty much it. You have 1 hour timer, 2 hour timer. You have the brightness. That's the lowest it could go. That's the brightest. That's the brightest. It's pretty bright. Like I said, you can do the music mode options. Let's say you don't have any of those options on the remote. You can access everything here basically, except for the color. Kind of a downside, but I guess it is what it is.
Bluetooth mode.
There we go. And we can go ahead and pair it. It's BTK 10. Gotta pair
Bluetooth
that.
connection.
And then we can go ahead and start low. Meant for a speaker, but it is there, so I guess that's what it is. Anyways, this is the product. Like I said, I rate it out of 5 stars. I'd rate it like a 4. Reason I rate it 4 out of 5 stars is because there are way better options out there that I know I can try a few and they'll be way better, This one, obviously, I don't like the placement of it. It's harder to mount or put somewhere. To be able to make it project on the screen, you would have to put it like in the middle of the room or somewhere awkward. It's not really ideal. But for those people that are out there that do have this scenario that are able to use this, yeah, it looks cool. And I really like the paint job. I don't know if they did it personally or if they just, bought it in bulk, but it does look really cool. End of the video. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.